मैं गरीब हूँ, मेरे माँ बाप मुझे गरीब जन्म दिए, मैं खुश हूँ, बस ठीक. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Ishika. So for today's video, I'll be answering to your deepest, darkest secrets. And I asked you guys on Instagram to send me some of your deepest, darkest secrets. And I'll be reacting to them. And yeah, let's get on with it. Yeah. I'm so scared because there are like very inappropriate secrets and I'm not sure if I'm gonna say them. Okay, never mind. So the first secret is, I'm not gonna reveal the names obviously. So I told my girlfriend that I rejected the girl in college who proposed me, but I lied to her. I cheated on her. Oh shit. Matlab, that's a secret obviously, but that's not good. Matlab, why would you do something like that? Disclaimer, I'm not here to judge anybody. I'm just putting my opinion out there, okay? Matlab, don't take it personally. Yeah. So the next secret is, my dad is cheating on my mom. I'm just not gonna say anything and let's just keep it out there. I have nothing to say to that and I hope you are happy. Okay. I sent my nudes to my ex when I was in a relationship and it was a very, very big matter. Obviously, it was gonna be a very, very big matter if you're in a relationship. Matlab, why would you send your nudes to your ex? And there might be a reason that he's your ex right now. So why would you do that? I don't know what to say to these secrets, but I'm just gonna read them and I'm just gonna I told my best friend I was sick and bunked school when instead I was with his girlfriend. Okay. That's just wrong. How could you do that to your best friend? I mean, obviously one can't does this to their best friend, right? I masturbate while my mom was sleeping beside me on the bed. See, masturbating is good, but not beside your mom. Yeah. I make out with my elder sibling when no one's home. I hope you mean your muh bhola elder sibling, not your actual elder sibling, because that is just messed up. Seriously, I'm not judging, but I'm just saying what I think. That's judging, na? Don't take it personally. Once I made out with two boys at same place and they both didn't even have any clue. That is funny and it doesn't matter, to be very honest. If none of them is your boyfriend, then it doesn't matter. If you are okay with it, then okay, good, nice. Nobody's judging you. That's judging, na? I'm too afraid to tell my dad that I don't like his filming and editing. Please don't tell him. Yeah, that is applying to me too. That is okay. I mean, you can tell him. I am sure he won't mind. Every time someone upsets me, I cut their clothes with scissors. Oh my god, that is brutal. I mean, you shouldn't do that because it's okay if somebody upsets you. ऐसे थोड़ी है that nobody can upset you. You have to be upset with someone, right? So don't cut their clothes maybe. Because you also upset somebody, right? So how would you feel if they would cut your clothes every time you upset them? So don't do it, please. I am bisexual and I have been in a relationship with a girl for over 2.5 years, kept it private as hell. This is a girl obviously who's saying that, if you don't know. And I don't think you should hide it. If you are if you know that you actually like her or are in love with her, then you obviously shouldn't hide it, because if it's about your parents, then I think they will have to accept it no matter what. I mean, it's your choice, right? So if you're happy, then I think you should tell somebody except the girl you are dating. I'm happy for you. I am 13 but 70 kg, but I still love myself, so I don't care if people judge. Good for you. I mean, good, that's obviously good, like good for everybody and good for you, and proud of you, and be happy, and you are the best. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment if you have some other secrets. And I mean, nobody's gonna judge you, so just comment if you haven't told me your secret. I mean, you don't have to, but if you want to, just also, I've noticed that 50% of the people who watch my videos haven't subscribed to my channel. So I mean, what are you waiting for? It's just a button that you have to click, right? So just subscribe. I mean, आपको क्या जा रहा है? Subscribe कर दो ना. So yeah, I hope you have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Peace.